The majority peoples are Hindus. So Hindus only will get all the powers. So he don't want that one. So that's why he has separated from this INC and he kept separate political party, that is Muslim League ML. Okay, Muslim League in the year 1906. So from there onwards, Muslims has separated. So okay, from there onwards, the Muslims has separated from this one, and all the Muhammad Ali Jinnah was followed by all the Muslim communities. Okay, and later even this, so Gandhiji was at the middle position. One side is the Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay, next Ambedkar. So next, so of course Azad also is there, Maulana Azad. But the other side is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. So it was separated. Okay, if Gandhiji is here as a father, but Gandhiji is having like two sons. One is the Muslim League, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Next one is the INC, that is led by this mainly Nehru. So Nehru and Muhammad Ali Jinnah both are not uniting each other. So Gandhiji was very much disappointed with these two leaders because they are not unifying, they are not uniting each other. So Gandhiji felt very sad for this. Then finally what happened means, so one Lahore student, so his name is Muhammad Iqbal. So Muhammad Iqbal, so he is one of the Lahore student. He has given separate name, that is Pakistan. Okay, so Pakistan. So he has given the name Pakistan. P-A-K. S-T-A-N. Pakistan. So this is the name given by Muhammad Iqbal. Okay, Muhammad Iqbal, he is one of the Lahore student, and he is also the member, one of the young member of this Muslim League. Okay, so what is the meaning for this Pakistan means? P means Punjab, A means Afghanistan, K means Kashmir, Stan means Balochistan or Balochistan. Now Balochistan is Pakistan. Okay, so like that he has given the Pakistan. That means these are the provinces. All the provinces should be formed into separate region or separate nation for Muslims. So this was encouraged all the Muslims, and they are using the name the Pakistan. And finally, now in the year 1947, when India got independence, so finally the Pakistan was separated. Why they have taken these regions means, because in these regions more Muslim populated area was there. More Muslims are there in Punjab at the time. So Punjab is having once again two states, East Punjab, West Punjab and East Punjab. Now the West Punjab is present in Pakistan, East Punjab is present in India. So here Punjab is also struggled hard with this communalism. One side is Sikh people, the other side is the Muslims. Okay, like that. So in this way the divisions are came at the time of from civil disobedience movement. Okay, but this was not applied in the full-fledged manner in the civil disobedience movement, just only differences are came. Then after that what happened? So we can see here, so Sir Muhammad Iqbal, so he is one of the Lahore student, and he has given the name Pakistan. Okay, so he also said about the communalism, importance of communalism. Importance of communalism, nothing but, suppose if in India is there means Muslims, so always they will get majority, always they will fall into minority position as the Hindus are majority. So that's why he has stated about the communalism. Okay, next, so here, okay, next topic is fourth one, the sense of collective belonging. So in this one, so if you see here, Bala Gangadhar Tilak was there. So Bala Gangadhar Tilak is called as the first Gandhi. So first, if you see this one Congress, so who has formed this Congress means, so in which year it was formed? INC. INC was formed in the year 1885. By whom? Mainly that is Dadabhai Nauroji. Dadabhai Nauroji is the founder of this INC, Indian Congress. After Dadabhai Nauroji, so Bala Gangadhar Tilak became very active person in this freedom struggle. Dadabhai Nauroji is also called as a grand old man of India. He is very old man. After the death of this Dadabhai Nauroji, so Bala Gangadhar Tilak is allotted as the president for INC. And Bala Gangadhar Tilak also waged two movements. One is the Home Rule movement. Okay, Home Rule movement. Next one is Swadeshi movement. First movement is Swadeshi movement. Next one is Home Rule movement. So these are the two movements launched by this Bala Gangadhar Tilak, and he is also considered as the symbol of this unity. Okay, in the year 1905, so Lord Curzon was there, British Governor General. Lord Curzon, he wanted to divide Hindus and Muslims. Okay, so that if they divide Hindus and Muslims means what will happen? Hindus and Muslims fight each other. Then they will forget about the freedom struggle. So that's why, so here in the Bengal region, if you see here, this is the Bengal means, so there is a disparity is there. That is Muslims are one side, the Hindus are the other side. So if you see the east side, more Muslims are there. And in the west side, we can see this the Hindus. So here communalism is broke out. So finally Lord Curzon said that we are going to make the separate state for Hindus and separate state for the Muslims in the Bengal region. So Bengal should be divided into two states, East Bengal and West Bengal, in the year 1905. So then when the conflicts are broke out in this one, so Lord Curzon, Governor General of India, he declared that we are going to divide the Bengal into two states. So in which year it was happened means, he declared means in the year 1903. 1903, on this date, on this year, he said he was going to divide two states. Then for that, so Bala Gangadhar Tilak, he has understood that the British intention is to follow divide and rule policy. Okay, divide and rule policy means what? విభజించు పాలించు అంటే మనము ఇండియన్స్ని విడగొట్టాలి, ముస్లిమ్స్ని హిందూస్ని విడగొట్టాలి,